Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Forest Pack in 3ds Max. All right, so first up, open up your browser and find Forest Pack 3ds Max. There's a website right here from i2soft, which you can go ahead and click on, or you go ahead and try Autodesk Apps Forest Pack Lite. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose i2soft right here, and then go ahead and log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet, and you can go ahead and actually buy this one. Okay. So if you don't have the budget, you can go ahead and download from free. And then this is what is included on the free one. And this is what's included in the pro version. Okay. Single payment. So click on buy now or download for free. And then you'll be given a folder. Or sometimes if you're using a free version, you'll be given just the installer. So what you can do is just go ahead and right click on it. Okay. Click on run as administrator. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Next, I agree. Next, keep everything to default, okay? And then after that, just wait for the process to finish. It will ask you to log in with your account so it can retrieve the license. So just go ahead and log in and enter your password. Now, everything right here will be listed as well as the versions in size. And here we have the effects library, the maps, the materials, stones, leaves. Okay, so in total for the free version we have 20 packages. So just click on install and wait for it to fully download and install. It says here, congratulations, all the packages are up to date. So all you got to do is just click on close, untick this one, finish, and then go ahead and open up a 3ds Max. Okay, so once it's opened, go ahead over to this drop down right here. And then just click on i2 software. Okay. And then you'll be able to see your Forest Pack, or sometimes if you got the free ones, you got a Forest Light, okay, Forest LOD, Forest Set, Forest IV. So just click on one. And then when it says library, you can go ahead and click on select. And here we have 2D, 3D, Forest IV, presets and samples. You can just go ahead and double click and select one or select multiple. Okay. Here you have the file section, your preferences, also the edit section and the view. All right. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to install Forest Pack in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.